Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this brand new episode, let me bring before you the USD INR levels for the coming week starting December 26, 2022. Now, first let me check the background view of USD INR. USD INR has been trading in a small range, that is, let me put the figure straight on the screen, that is 82.97 on the higher side and 82.60. So this is the support level. So on the lower side 82.60 and on the higher side 82.97 are very crucial levels. And 23rd December 2022 USDINR ended at 82.85. So 82.85 is the level that is ended. Now, there is very important thing you must understand here, that year-end trade, year-end positions will be triggered. That is one thing. And on 23rd, the crude oil prices have gone up. So that also is very negative for the USD INR. And the surge in COVID in China and even in India, it's not a good sign for the USD INR. So now it is trading at 82.85. So now how you should take your trade on Monday morning. So now it is very crucial that levels of 83 on the higher side and levels of 82.60 on the lower side are critical. So therefore it is always better that you keep aside your trade and wait for these levels. Any trade above 83 will be a uh, trade on the upper side. So which means the resistance will be taken off, and you can see a level as high as 83.30 you can see. But on the lower side, if it breaks 82.60, then we can expect a major fall in the currency. Now, so this is from the chart we can see the levels, and USD INR has been steadily rising. You can see the rise here. You see a steady rise is there. Now the global, that is the dollar index DXY, dollar index is at 104.05. Yeah, so it is also important that if dollar index rises, then rupee also will start rising. Now here, let me come into the open interest analysis for the USD INR. Okay, so this is the open interest. So if you see the open interest here, let me make it bigger. Now you can see the highest call open interest is at 83. So if I click here, you see. So this is 83, highest call open interest, and puts are more than the calls. So there will be very stiff support at 82.75, and the next support is at 82.50. So 82.75 and 82.50 are the major supports, and on the call side there is resistance at around 83. So you can expect USDINR to trade in a range between 82.75 to 83. Both these levels are crucial. If the trade on the upside, if 83 breaks, you can take a long position, and suppose 82.75 breaks on the lower side, you can take a put and wait for levels up to 82.50. So that is the USD INR analysis uh, for the coming week. So trade cautiously. There is no trade between the range of 82.75 to 83. As I already said, that this is a 1 day chart. If you see the 5-minute chart, you can see uh, on 23rd USD has been trading in a small range. So if I draw the range, see, this is the range, so very small. So almost 82.90 on the upper side and 82.84 on the lower side. So indecisive trade that took place. So Monday you can expect either a trade on the upper side or trade on the lower side, that is 82.97. If it takes off, you can trade long. 82.60, if it takes out, you can trade short. Even if it breaks 82.75 also, you can short. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Your one like will motivate me to come up with more such videos. Thank you.